How to get the most out of your new 3D printer.
Love, the new 3D printer's arrived.
The first thing Colin printed was a fresh ream of A4 paper, because his old 2D printer was always running out. Next up, he printed an extra 3D printer which he sold to his Caucasian neighbour Gavin for an inflated price. And using the handheld anti-tank shoulder missile launcher that he printed out, he was able to take back his 3D printer without too much bother. Like Colin, you will come to love your 3D printer. One day, Colin printed up 68 IKEA bedside cabinets. He didn't even want them. I mean, you couldn't make this shit up. Colin read somewhere that the world's resources were finite. That means they're running out to you and me. But that was bullshit from where Colin was standing. Rather than actually solving famine itself with a 3D printer, he printed up this animation package to make this increasingly moralistic cartoon. He printed up the computer to edit it on and the camera to get that shot. Then the inevitable happened. His wife ran out on him after she was locked in the basement for 4 years. And ironically, on the same day, the bloody magenta print cartridge also ran out of ink. Oh bollocks, Colin thought. A new print cartridge would cost over £10,000 from PC World, and Colin just didn't have that kind of equity. So he had to sell everything, including his beloved 3D printer and the whores. And then he worked tirelessly for 30 years just to be able to afford one 3D print cartridge. Looking back, Colin wondered whether it was all worth it.